Hey there, in this video I want to guide you through the physical installation of stem ceiling in both chandelier mode and low profile mode. Now everything you're going to need for both of these installations will be included in the box when it arrives to you. Let's start by going through how to install stem ceiling in chandelier mode.
The first thing you're going to have to do when mounting like a chandelier is go ahead and disassemble this mechanism right here. What we really want is to get this bracket out. So just unscrew these two screws, get the bracket out, and we're going to affix this bracket to the actual structure by putting these screws through these holes right here. All I need to do is just thread the suspension wire through it into this metal cap. So just align the two screw holes to the two holes that we have on the bracket itself, just like it came. And we're going to use those same screws that we disassembled originally and put them back in place. So at this point, you can again always readjust the wire. You can push it back in to make it shorter, or if you want to make it longer, you're going to have to go ahead and push the spring and pull on that cable until you get it to the length that you want. We have our two aesthetic plastic caps. One is the connector cover and one is the connector cover cap. And we're going to want to thread that through any cables that are going to go into this device. We're going to thread that through our Ethernet cable and then the white piece through the Ethernet cable. And once we have that threaded through, I'm going to go ahead and take our actual suspension wire. I'm going to thread that through the same two pieces as well. And now we have the two cables that we want actually connected to our device. So I'll plug in my Ethernet, and then now I can actually screw in my suspension wire. Make sure you tighten it. And as you can see, it's tight, it's holding on, and I can finish with the two pieces that are going to cover this whole mechanism over here. All I have to do is go ahead, align it, and then gently click it in. Once I did that, this piece also clicks in. Please note it has two teeth and it has two holes for the teeth. I'm just going to align those two together and click it into place. Okay, so that's it. That's all you needed to do to hang it up like a chandelier. Now we're going to move on and see what it looks like when we hang this device in dropped acoustic ceiling tile mode. Let's go ahead and check it out.
The first thing you want to do is make the appropriate connections on your ceiling device, whether that's USB or Ethernet, depending on the needs of your room. Then, using the provided center screw, secure the ceiling device to the included straight bracket. Next, you want to drop the ceiling device with the secured bracket connected into the provided square mount. Then, align the holes to the side of the mount with the holes on the side of the bracket, and then use a screw to connect the mount to the bracket. Once the unit is connected to the square mount, it's time to drop it into the suspended ceiling. After the devices have been placed in the suspended ceiling, make sure to secure it to the structure by using the wire holes on the square mount corners and the provided gripple kit. And that's it, your ceiling is now low profile mounted. If you have any more questions about how to install your stem ceiling device, feel free to reach out to our customer happiness team at 949-877-STEM, or you can email them directly at customerservice@stemaudio.com. Thanks for watching.